Using the wrong oil could be ruining your weight loss. Not all oils are equal. Some boost fat loss, others silently add pounds. Let's break it down in 3 minutes. Make every drop count. First up, olive oil. I'm talking extra virgin, loaded with monounsaturated fats. It helps your heart and keeps you feeling full. That means less snacking. Drizzle it on salads and roasted veggies. Use for cooked dishes at low to medium heat. A smoother path to your goals. More energy, better metabolism support. Olive oil is the king of healthy fats. Monounsaturated fats, heart health, satiety, fat metabolism. Simple swaps, big wins. Next, coconut oil. Coconut oil. It's packed with MCTs, medium chain triglycerides. MCTs give quick energy. They might help fire up fat burning. Use it for eggs and stir fries. High heat cooking sometimes works well. Some people add it to coffee for a morning boost. Combine with workouts for best results. Coconut oil can be a useful tool. MCTs, quick energy, possible fat burning, good cooking uses. Third, avocado oil. It tastes great and is a powerhouse for cooking. Avocado oil has a super high smoke point. It helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K. Better absorption with healthy fats. Perfect for roasting, great for grilling. Use as a finishing oil for flavor and nutrients. A versatile oil for many healthy meals. High smoke point helps vitamin absorption. Versatile uses. Now, what to avoid? But beware, some oils are progress killers. Highly processed oils like soybean, corn, and canola, avoid them. Soybean, skip hem. Corn, skip hem. Canola, skip hem. They are highly processed, loaded with omega-6s, can promote inflammation and weight gain. Fast food loves these oils. Your body does not. Ditch the processed stuff. Make the switch in your pantry. Watch your waistline. Thank you. Avoid soybean, corn, and canola. Simple as that. Recap. Good oils: olive, coconut, avocado. Bad oils: processed vegetable oils. Stick with olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Swap smart, cook smart, and pair with activity. Make the switch today. Your waistline will thank you. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe and tap the bell. Drop your favorite oil in the comments below. Smart swaps lead to lasting results. You've got this. Like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.